We are back with another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this design using 3D tools in Adobe Illustrator. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials. If you guys have any suggestions as to what kind of videos and tutorials you want to see from me, be sure to leave it in the comments below and I'll try my best to get to it. Let's get started. I have made so many 3D videos in the past, I can't even keep track. So I'm going to go over to my polygon tool here and I'm going to make a hexagon. I hope this is a hexagon. That's really embarrassing. It has 6 sides. Hex? Maybe. I don't know. Once I have this down, I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller. And I'm gonna change the color to the super light blue. With this selected, I'm gonna go up to Effect, Distort and Transform, and Pucker and Bloat. And then this little text box is gonna come up. And if you wanna make like a really weird star shape, then go to the pucker. But today, we're gonna be bloating it up a little bit. Just sliding this dial to the right, I think this is 2 more. Okay, that's better. And once I have my flower how I like it, I'm just gonna click OK. And as you can see here, you can still kind of see the polygon shape. So to get rid of that and make the flower the shape instead, I'm gonna go to Object, Expand Appearance. And now I'm gonna copy it and send it to the back. So you can either click Command C, Command B, which I normally do and I'm probably gonna be doing, but I'm gonna show you the other way to do it. And you just go to Edit, copy, edit, paste in back. And as you can see, it's right there. Once you have your second flower behind your first, you're going to click I or go to the eyedropper tool and select your next color. I think I'm gonna use pink. After doing that, be sure to swap your fill and stroke by going over here and clicking these arrows. And you can't really see it too good now, but if I zoom in, you can tell that there is a pink stroke on it. What we're gonna do is make this bigger. So I'm gonna go over here to my stroke and just kind of hold it until I think it's big enough. Then I'm going to expand the shape by going to Object, Expand, and then this box comes up and I'm just gonna click OK. Now we have another flower. Okay, and you're kind of just gonna repeat this process and keep changing the colors as you go. I'm gonna zoom past this part because it's gonna take me a second. And once you've gone through all the colors, now I'm just gonna copy and keep pasting this behind the original. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so now as you can see, we're really overflowing the artboard here, but I'm just gonna go to View, Trim View, and then you can kind of see what it's gonna look like. Now the 3D portion, I'm going to select all of these shapes. I'm going to go to Object, Group. Then I'm gonna go to Effect, 3D and Materials, Inflate. And it's gonna take a second because it always does. Oh, ooh, that was kind of quick. Now we're gonna make it look super shiny and metallic. Going over to the Materials panel, I'm going to down the roughness just a tiny bit, and then we are gonna up the metallic a lot. So I'm gonna go to, I think about 0.7. Oh, she's cute. Okay, but she's super dark, so we're just gonna go to lighting and fix that a little bit. I'm gonna up the intensity and you'll see, yeah, see how it really brightened that up. I think I'm pretty happy with this, so I'm just gonna rasterize it so it's super realistic. I'm gonna go up here to the render settings, click this drop down arrow. I'm gonna turn on ray tracing, make sure the quality is high so that it's not grainy. Then I'm gonna click render, and we wait. Okay, we're back, and as you see, it finally rasterized and it's looking super sharp. And that is how you make a 3D flower wallpaper in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorials. And once again, if you have any suggestions as to what kind of tutorials you want to see, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll try my best to get to it. I will see you in the next one.